loves, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment down below. I always love to read your comments in the comment section, so make sure to drop one. Today I'm gonna be putting new sheets on my bed, new pillows, cleaning my bed, putting on new duvet. So that's what I'm doing currently. And today the vibe is gonna be mint green and white shade for the duvet and white for the sheets and pillows. So yeah, hope everything come out good. I'm that kind of person who hates wrinkled sheets. Like, it really bothers me. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me whether you also that kind of person who hate wrinkled sheets. Like, every time I look at them, I'm like, no, that's not me. So definitely I'm gonna be working on that. And one thing I realized is always to invest in quality when it comes to duvets, sheets, pillows, and bed. Like, you can use them forever. So that's one thing I realized. And yeah,
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Every single moment.
now I'm gonna be jumping into shower, and the first thing I'm gonna be doing is to work on my oral care. And I'd love to go in with Colgate toothbrush and Colgate toothpaste. These two, they work some magic, and I love the Colgate brush. It has smooth bristles, clean your teeth so well, but it doesn't irritate the gum. Now I'm gonna be jumping into BodyCare, and I'm gonna be using this Dove pink bar soap. I always love to first put a bar soap on my body. You know, it gives you that fresh feel, and this Dove smells so amazing, foams so well. And I'm gonna be using this washcloth. I always love to use a white washcloth. Trust me, it's gonna show you all the dirt, which is so good. Next, I'm gonna be using this Jago scrub. I love the fact that it has smooth particles. It makes your skin soft and doesn't give you irritation. I'm that kind of person who love to try different scrubs. Like, each and every day I love to try out new scrub, new scent. And this scrub is so soft on the body. It gives you that feel. Like, I've used rough scrubs in the past, but this one is so good. Next, I'm gonna be using this Vade hair removal. I love this cream so much. If you're a person trying to find the hair removal cream to work for you, try Vade. It is so good, it smells so amazing, and it doesn't give you irritation. Next, I'm gonna be using this neem soap from Dr. Banner's. I always love to use this soap after using the hair removal cream in case of any slight irritation. Lastly, I'm gonna be using this Dove carrying bath. This one smells so good. You know, coming out of the shower and you smell so amazing, smell good the whole day. Like, one thing about Dove product, they work so well, smell amazing, and highly recommend. Next, I'm gonna be jumping into skincare, and these are the products which I'm gonna be using. The first one, I'm gonna be using this acne foam. Works so well, remove all the dirt and cleans your face. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Garnier serum before putting any product. Now I'm gonna use this marine collagen. Collagen is so good to your skin. If you're a person having an even skin tone, last time my face, I'm gonna use this Perfume and TV. And for the bottom, I'm gonna be using this dark lotion. Now come with me for my breakfast. Breakfast is done and it's time for reset. I'm gonna start with my bag section. I have a lot of bags, and what is annoying is that this rack can't contain them all. I have bags in the closet everywhere, so I'm gonna start with cleaning this rack, removing all the bags and cleaning the area, wiping the bags before putting them up. So yeah.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for life.
Now I'm on to the perfume section. A lot of perfumes are not here. I have perfumes everywhere, in the bags, closet, living room. Yeah, so also my perfumes, I'm looking forward to making the glass section for perfumes. This is how everything turned out. Now let's jump into another section. And before jumping to another section, I want to show you my MAC lip kit. I received this recently and I wanted to show you that the lipstick smells like chocolate.
At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Now I'm gonna be cleaning my TV section, clean everywhere, wipe everywhere.
crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Now I'm gonna be restocking and cleaning the fridge. This is a mini fridge in my bedroom. I always put things which I want to grab, let's say in the night, or I'm watching a movie in the bedroom, so that I don't be moving from the kitchen to the bedroom.
oh yeah, only roll like once. Life move fast and do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean.
I'm gonna jump to the bathroom section. My bathroom, it looks nuts. Like, one thing about having a white bathroom and sinks, it's gonna show all the dirt. Yeah, you can't even cheat when it comes to that. So I have to clean everything. I have to make sure that everything is tackled.
Nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it.
I'm gonna start with cleaning the tap section, then go to the skincare area. So that's all about the recent vlog. Let me hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Subscribe if you haven't, like the video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me see you in the next one. So this is how everything turned out.
Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like,